The CYVIO 4K wireless solar security camera features Halow 900 MHz Wi-Fi and a very clear high-res 4K image, providing you detailed coverage with long range and stable connectivity. Let's dive in and take a look at the security camera system. Taking everything out of the box, we see that it comes with a quick start guide, the home base and power adapter, a mouse for use if you plan to connect a monitor, an Ethernet cable, a USB-A to USB-C cable, mounting brackets and hardware, the antennas, an HDMI cable, and the 4 4K cameras. These cameras are solar powered with a built-in 11,600 mAh battery, which will definitely be enough to stay powered at all times, regardless of power outages. They are IP66 waterproof, so they're built to withstand extreme weather conditions. They provide a 132-degree view and a crisp 4K image, which actually delivers versus some other cameras, which claim 4K but don't provide as clean of an image. There's built-in spotlights to the front, as well as red and green LED warning lights. The spotlights are decent, but not something that would light up a walkway. This system will work without an internet connection, providing you recording regardless of any sort of outage. Opening the rubber gasket cover on the back reveals a USB-C port which can be utilized to charge the battery via a power outlet, or a solar panel aside from the built-in one, which is sold separately for areas where the camera may be installed, which doesn't reach any sunlight. Once the entire rubber gasket is pulled off, we see a set button and an on and off switch for the camera. On the bottom, there's a built-in speaker and mic, allowing you to communicate back and forth. Now taking a look at the home base or NVR, there's an HDMI port on the back to connect the monitor to, so you can watch the feeds live there, an Ethernet port, a USB Type-A port to connect the mouse, a reset button, another USB Type-A port for storage transfers, a micro SD reader with a pre-installed 64GB memory card, and the power jack. On the bottom, there's a removable cover that's held on with a magnet, which reveals an internal hard drive bay, allowing you to install onboard storage of up to 8 TB. So this home base or NVR provides you with subscription-free local storage with multiple onboard storage options. Again, the great thing about this system, whether or not you have an internet connection or not, the cameras will still record to the home base or NVR. Setting up is simple. Install the antenna on top of the NVR. Plug in your Ethernet cable from your router or modem to be able to view from your smartphone. Plug in your power cable. Power on your cameras. Install the CYVIO app from the Play or App Store. And log in or create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're at the app dashboard, you can add the cameras from the top right menu by scanning the QR code, which is located on the bottom of the NVR once you remove the bottom magnetic cover. Follow the on-screen instructions to sync and finalize the setup. In camera settings, you can switch between each camera to adjust settings. In event settings, you can choose between pedestrian and vehicle detection, or motion detection, which will detect all motion. Once you select one, the other will become disabled automatically. You can also adjust the sensitivity and range of each. In event linkage, you can enable the red and blue warning light from the deterrent section, or enable the siren. For message notifications, you can select which type of detection you get notifications for. As for power management, you can choose between optimal surveillance, which will record every triggered event, or you can customize the settings and recording intervals. For watermark, you can switch between timestamp or channel name, which is what you choose the name for each camera. For audio settings, you can adjust the speaker volume and enable or disable audio. Okay, now looking at the dashboard, you're able to view your camera feeds. You can play a selected feed or set it to full screen to get a closer look and zoom in as well. The picture quality is really good, providing you a nice and clear image. Diving in further, when you select a camera, you can enable or disable sound, switch from HD to standard definition to save on storage if you wish, and you can select to view all 4 camera feeds or even more depending on how many cameras you have. You can view all the camera feeds in landscape orientation as well to have a larger view, and you can select between each camera if you wanted to select a certain one to take a screenshot or recording. Whether you're in full screen mode or standard, You have the controls to take snapshots or screenshots, recordings, enable the microphone to speak to people by the camera, enable the alarm, or turn on the spotlight. You can also enable the warning light by pulling up on the button drawer. This is what it sounds like when you're speaking through the speaker.
If you want to speak to someone by the camera, you can easily do so. You can notify a driver to leave a package by your door.
In playback, you can view all recorded events from the camera on the selected date it was recorded. You can download recorded events by selecting the download icon on the bottom left and selecting the clips you want to download. When you receive notifications of detections, you can select that notification, which will take you to the recorded event to view. With a 700 meter long-range transmission thanks to the Halow 900 MHz Wi-Fi, large properties with greater distance between the home base or NVR and the camera is no longer an issue. It's able to penetrate better through walls, and works great with a stable connection where standard 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi cameras struggle. At night, you get 4K color night vision, which kicks in once motion is detected. When there is no activity, the feed will revert back to infrared black and white. The camera has up to 8x digital zoom, so you can zoom in to get a closer look. For me, the two main important features for the security camera system is the clarity and quality of the image, and the fact that even without an internet connection, the cameras will still record. With large built-in batteries, long-range stable connections, and smart detection and alerts, this is definitely a security camera system that delivers. I couldn't find much that I didn't like about these cameras, aside from the spotlights, which I would have preferred a bit larger and brighter. I'll place links in the description for anyone interested in this 4K security camera system by CYVIO, and I'll see you in the next one.